The main function commemorating the World Health Day was organized by Manipur State Vector-Borne Disease Control Society in collaboration with Manipur Voluntary Health Association. Speaking during the function, Dr. A. Bijoy, Director Health Services, said this kind of function will be more fruitful if they are held in far-flung areas of the state where vector-borne disease are more rampant.
Yamna Swatana lady, World Health Day observation Toribase, Akogi, Infal Gumba Sumbasidati, observation to Dragasu, Yamna Lam Lakna Laiba, Pudamina Manipurgi, Tipaimo, Borovekra, Molsam, Pungiargi Matai, Sum the Salaga, Kogi, Yankulin and Akogi Manipurgi, North District Lam, Adum Baduda, Akogi Sumba program say, Tauragadi. Mafam dugi mi sing duda akoina khanari bo afam sing sa yohan bibang amagati akoina program si World Health Day observation to base aidi mai pai hana ai lojagani.
The theme of this year's World Health Day is vector-borne disease. The spotlight this year will be on the most common vectors like mosquitoes, sandflies, bugs, tick, mite and snails. In Manipur, among the vector-borne diseases, dengue is fast becoming an emerging vector-borne disease as compared to malaria. The first outbreak of dengue was reported at Moreh in 2007, while second outbreak was reported at Churachandpur. Regional Director Head of Family Welfare, Dr. L. Ashananda said, dengue can be avoided if we follow some preventive measures.
Dengue dagi kange haragadi akoina yumda thamba ising singsi khumjilaga thamba yumda store tawraga thamba ising singse makum khumjilaga thambiba. Number 1 ani subai activity da yumda lairiba ising natraga sizinage na koi tungjila thambi ising se hapta khudingi sindokpiba hapta khudingi sindokpai kana bana kari no habda makoi se hapta amdagi helaba numit tarani suraba kang se marung ko ombodun mapi olga paiba ngameba adu kari gumba hapta amanung da mase phalona ising ji sindokpiraba adu warga de manung da marung ko ke ko magi larval stage da lege lairo mas mapi on mangamroe ba marakta dum sigrane ba.
Another deadly vector-borne disease, Japanese encephalitis outbreak, was first reported in the state in 2012. According to medical experts, 30% of people affected with Japanese encephalitis have been successfully cured. However, 35% have lost their lives to the deadly disease, and the remaining 35% are disabled, with some of them even losing their memories.
Ujik Manipur da Japanese encephalitis tagi ngakthok naba vaccine si kape. Aduna chahi tara manga gi makha da leiba angang khugi mak Japanese encephalitis ki vaccine ase kathok biu.
Millions of people around the world are at risk from disease spread by vectors. One must take care and follow the preventive measures advised by health experts.
Health is wealth. A healthy mind lives in a healthy body. This World Health Day reminds us that simple measures can safeguard us from some of the deadliest diseases. In Impal with camera person Laimayum Subhas, this is Gita Yanglam, Impact News.